line. Okay. No pushing, no shoving.
Okay. Let's try this out.
No. Let's
Who's
just
gonna win?
get
You have to cheer. You have to cheer to your boyfriend.
Okay.
I hope that he will not drop the egg.
Okay. Spoons down, eggs down. Spoons down first. Spoon down. Hold it down.
There?
Okay. On the line.
Yeah,
On the line.
yeah.
Everybody on the line. Music, please. No trial, because if we break it, you're gone. You only have one replacement egg for each team. Break both eggs, you're disqualified. And you have to clean it. Sadly, you have to clean it.
You have no choice. Yeah.
Who's here? Okay. Count down from. Put it down first. Put it down.
Put it down.
Okay. All right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Rolling down. Up.
We got a traffic jam. Break it. You can catch it. Again. Okay, someone broke something else.
Tay. We won. Get number 3, won.
And we have egg on the floor.
Wait! Okay. Okay, we'll announce first the winner. Okay? But let's announce first the one who dropped it. Okay?
And the one who cleaned
The group who dropped it will gonna stay behind later to help clean. Okay? But I guess it was a good fight. Okay? I guess it was a good fight. Okay, we need to break the tie. This group go out, please. And then,
Group 3, Group 3.
okay, we need to break the tie. Or we need to break the knot. Okay. JJ. Nandang ko ata rin nandang baso na to. Okay. Oh, I like the smell of the egg. My God.
Sir.
Yeah.